Hello guys, today we got this problem coming up. The processor isn't correctly supported by Windows 11. We're trying to install Windows 11 on machine which has Windows 10, so we're trying to upgrade this to Windows 11. So I'm just going to show you what we did to sort this out. So we went to the Microsoft.com software Windows 11 and then downloaded one more time the media tool, the media creation tool. As you can see, I just downloaded it quickly and I just run the setup, and it's just getting a few things ready for it to start. So click accept here. So click next here and then create ISO file for later, or you can do ISO file on USB. Either way, then you can plug it on the USB. In this case, I'm just going to do it onto the computer, and then I'm going to pass it on USB, paste it on USB later, because I don't have the USB right now. See, what he's doing now is just downloading all the files that I need for Windows 11 to install a fresh copy or upgrade it. So in this case, we are going to upgrade this machine. So, and that's where we were having trouble, because it was coming up with processor is not compatible with this computer when we actually were running it. So we just downloaded it again, downloading fresh files, and then I'm going to show you on the end to what to take off for that error to go away. Guys, this is a small channel. We make videos on how to fix computers, how to protect computers, how to repair electronics. So by subscribing is going to help a lot the channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Please do so. A little bit of a frustrating to wait for so long because the files need to download. My computer seems to be a bit slow as well. And obviously we've done it a few times to try and figure it out, because every time we're downloading, we starting the installation, and then boom, the error comes, and you have to start again to do the creation, the creating Windows Media and this, that. It was just getting too much, but finally we figured out how to resolve the error. So and it's worthwhile in the end all the time. So we finish this here. And I was just telling you guys that this download on our computer, so obviously it's going to download on C drive. At the moment I'm using the USB drive because I've copy and pasted in there, so it's the same files. So what you do is you open a new folder on the desktop, and then go to the files you just copied on your C drive, on a flash drive, whichever you did it, and then paste it onto the new folder. Paste all the files onto the new folder. Just wait a little bit for this to copy into this new folder that we just did. Now that all the files being copied there, go to folder sources, and then we're going to be looking for a specific file. It's going to be somewhere here. Yeah, this one. So just make a note of this file, .dl file, and then just delete. Yeah, once you delete this, you go back to the folder and start up as administrator. So don't know where the setup gone here. Is on the other screen. Let me just try and figure it out where it is. Sorry guys, I got a setup of 4 screens here. There it is. Okay. It's just loading up. Yep. So that's now it has come with the get updates and get optional features. So we're gonna go with not at the moment. Click next, and this will actually install Windows 11 properly, and then with no errors, nothing, and happy days. Thank you so much. Guys, if you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button for support, and if you really like the video and want to be notified when we release a new video, please hit the notification button at the end of the video and we'll notify you when we release a new video. As for your information, we make lots of videos on how to resolve computer problems, and if you have having problem with your computer, maybe this video or any of the old videos we have made might help you, so don't forget to see our other videos too. Please also don't forget to comment below any questions, any thoughts, any disagreement, and we'll try to reply as soon as we can. And then